Okay, pool players, we're back at it. The center of the top ball is what we'll be attacking with a 25-degree cut. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right, guys, if we look at the tangent, we're going into the center of the 5-ball. I'm going to line up an 8/8 cut. And we're going to hit this with a half tip below center. And we're going to maintain the full stroke. So half tip below center, full stroke on it.
Okay, we went ahead and put this in slow motion so we could see exactly where the cue ball hits the top ball, how it reacts off the stack, and how the stack opened up.
Okay, we got a pretty good result. We have a little bit of a congestion in the middle rack area, which is standard. Potential break shot with the 7-ball later. And yeah, we just have to figure out how we're going to solve this problem. Okay guys, I'm going to pocket the 14 first. I'm going to try to get an angle on the one, maybe going to the stack. Okay, now if I go into the stack, I should have a shot in the 13, so I'm not super concerned here. I'm going to miss the stack this way if I miss it though. I don't want to miss it this way, okay? Let's see if I can hit this accurately. That up a little bit more. I did maintain shape on the 13. You have to overcut this because it's going to deflect a little bit. As it just so happens that the 15-10 is lined up, I do have the 3 or the 12. I'm going to go ahead and use this what we'll call wired combination here. Remember, if I land on the 5, I would have taken it out, but I didn't, so I'm going to go ahead and play the 11. 6 does go, so I could play the 2 as well. I'm really debating that because it's I'm lined up pretty well on this. 8-5 in the side is good. The 5-8 in the corner is no good. I'm going to play the 2 guys. I'm going to play position on the 6 or the 11. Get rid of the 11 because it blocks the 9. Again, I could play for this 8-5 in the side combination. As long as this 15's in the way, those balls don't go. A5 looks so good. Let's play position for it. So I'm going to play the 9, play position for it. Play the combination. We'll get rid of the 6. Okay, interesting development, guys. I could play 6, 3, 8 for my last 3 balls. Not really a bad option here. If the 7 cleared, the 7 were up here, I would totally revamp my decision now. But the 7 doesn't clear, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the 6 ball, which would make that nice little triangle at the end that triple players talk about all the time. I'm going to get rid of this 12 ball. It's kind of useless, so I'm going to try to get on it now. Okay, I do have an option with the 7 or the 15, 3, 8. So I'm going to go ahead and try to come back up table. If I can get like here, you know, this angle, I might take the 15, 7, 3. Let's see what I come up with. I have 2 break shots, the 8 and the 7. I'm going to try to get around the middle. If I get here, I can go 7, 15, 3, which is probably the most likely. If I end up more here, I can play position. That's kind of impossible. But if I end up here, I can play the 15, then the 7, then the 3. Let's just get back to the middle. Okay, looks like 7, 15, 3 it is. I want to either hit the 8 or come in between the, I could kill this. What to do? Let's kill it. I want to get pretty deep in this corner, guys.
Guys, thank you for watching this 11th episode. I appreciate all your views, all your comments, all your shares, all your likes. It's very important to me that you guys enjoy this content. If there's anything you want me to change, please give me a shout or PM me. I do appreciate your content, your feedback. With that, I'll let you know that there is a bit of material under TheBilliardists on the YouTube channel. If you guys like to check that out, that should be a little bit of fun. But with that said, I hope you guys have a great day or evening, and I'll see you at the next angle. Thanks for watching. Take care.